Today, we're going to show you how to install a Glock 19 Simunition conversion kit onto a Glock 19 weapon. First thing you need to do is to remove the magazine. Make sure that the chamber is clear and that you have no ammo in the weapon. Once that's done, remove the original slide from the frame. Remove the recoil rod from the original slide and put that onto the frame. Next, take the conversion kit slide and install it onto the frame. Make sure the recoil rod is aligned and that you can see that the recoil rod comes through the hole and is in position. Now, you take the conversion kit barrel and unscrew the chamber block from the barrel. Move the slide to the rear slightly and insert the chamber block into the ejection port. Pull the slide a little to the rear again, and the chamber block will fall into place. Take the front end of the barrel and screw that back into the chamber block. Tighten the barrel using the 7/16 key. Torque the barrel until the set of lines match. Once that's done, you're ready to go. To remove the conversion kit, first thing you need to do is to remove the magazine. Make sure that the chamber is clear and that you have no ammo in the weapon. Loosen the front of the barrel using the 7/16 key and unscrew it. Next, take the front end of the barrel out. Flip the slide upside down with your hand and pull it to the rear a little. The chamber block will fall into your hand. Make sure to screw the front end of the barrel onto the chamber block to avoid thread damage. Lastly, remove the Simunition slide. Take the original recoil rod and install it back onto the original slide. Rack it to the rear, and you are set to go.